Hey everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share your QR code on Yelp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and share your Yelp account through a QR code. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what we're first going to do is hop onto Yelp. Then from here, in the bottom right hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on the icon that says me. And then the upper right hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on the QR icon. So what this will do is that it pulls up a QR code, which you could actually go ahead and share with someone so that they can pull up your account. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share your QR code on Yelp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.